Well, here's an update coming on the Mumbai cop brutality case. A video has emerged which shows that the Mumbai police thrashed a couple inside Andheri police station. Now, eyewitnesses and the couple's lawyers claim that they were illegally detained. Police, on the other hand, say that cops were only trying to break the fight between the couple. Mumbai police, we're also learning, has now ordered a probe into the incident. Let me go across to my colleague Sindhu. She's joining us live on the story now. Sindhu, first of all, there are two angles which are emerging. The cops say that they were just trying to sort out the fight between the couple. And on the other hand, you have the eyewitnesses and, other people, lawyers claiming that the couple were illegally detained. Where is this case headed? Is there any clarity on exactly what happened?
The witness is saying, the eyewitness in the case is saying that he saw the police thrash the couple, whereas the police is claiming that they were just trying to separate them, they were just trying to take them apart. What the police is claiming is that the couple, they were drunk, they were intoxicated and they had consumed a lot of alcohol, because of which they were having an argument, a very heated argument outside the police station. They were rounded up and brought to the police station where the boy was trying to grope the girl and the girl was shouting and telling him to let her go. That is when the police intervened and tried to break them apart, and that is when the scuffle between the women constables and the girl and the boy happened, and that is when the eyewitness is claiming that the Mumbai police thrashed them up. However, the Mumbai police is denying this claim made by the eyewitness and the lawyer at present. The Mumbai police is conducting an inquiry to find out if there was any eve teasing done by the boy or there was any harassment done by the boy when they were arguing outside the police station, that being the main reason why they had also detained them. Also, top officers in the Mumbai police, top sources are telling us that an inquiry will be ordered also to find out if there was any lapse in judgment, if there was any mistake on the part of the police, if they ever beat them up in this incident.